between me and you is I'd rather get money and try to flip me something. You can't tell me nothing. The difference between me and you is you better sit on your ass, begging from another man, holding out your hand. The difference between me and you is I would never love her, I would never trust her, and she tell me that the difference between me and you is I'ma go kill a nigga. And I swear like hell, I go kill a nigga.
Yo, what's up YouTube? This your boy Cuz from Custom Made Barbershop in Jacksonville. Today I got another video coming at you. This is a video of some sort of mohawk that my boy Mike came in with today. He got a baby shower coming up, and he getting ready to get his hair braided. So he kind of wanted to fade the sides, but not too high. He brought in a picture, so you know I kind of looked at the picture for a few minutes, and I had to meditate on it for a little bit, but I think I nailed it. You know what I'm saying? He liked it. You know, he appreciated it. So, you know, shout out my boy Mike. Shout out to Barber Illuminati. Anyways, right now what I'm doing is just balding out the edges. I had already done the other side, so you know, I'm just working on this right side right here. It's a pretty much straight up cut, like I said, straight to the point. Right now I got my number 2 guard, my Andy's number 2 guard, the purple magnetic guard. That's the Andy's Masters, of course. So what I'm doing is just drawing my, I wouldn't even say a guideline. It's the highest point that I'm fading to right here. Like I said, it's straight up haircut. I actually got the haircut at about 11.5 minutes. It shouldn't have been all that long. I could have edited out a lot of parts, but I left a lot of parts on there for you guys to kind of see what I was doing. I was pretty much doing cleanup work most of the haircut. It's like I said, it's pretty much straight to the point. If you know how to do a bald fade or any type of fade, you could do this type of haircut. It's real simple. Only thing is you ain't got too much room to play with. But once you get comfortable with fading, that shouldn't be a problem. This is one of those haircuts that, you know, it's just real simple, straight to the point. I'm gonna go ahead and play some music. Turn my music up. Let y'all listen to it. I'm not gonna do too much talking on this video. This video is pretty much self-explanatory. This is some good work, y'all. So if y'all need any kind of reference on how to do any kind of mohawk or any kind of burst fade or anything like that, this is a good video to look up. I'm still trying to figure out what I'm gonna name this video, but like I said, it's a good video to learn some skills. Shout out to Barber Illuminati again, y'all. Shout out to Copelic. Shout out to my boy Mike. Shout out to everybody that support Custom Made Barbershop. Like I said, man, y'all showing me a lot of love right now. I'm getting a lot of views, a lot of comments, a lot of likes, and I got a lot of y'all following me on Instagram. So I appreciate the love, y'all. Hey, man, I can't appreciate it more. I couldn't express how much I appreciate y'all showing me love, man. I started this with an idea. Me and my brother, we started this as an idea, and now we're starting to see it come to light. So, you know, shout out to everybody showing me love, all right? And, you know, y'all sit back, relax, listen to the music. I'm probably going to play this instrumental back a couple times. And those of y'all just at the crib watching this video, just sit back and watch it. You know what I'm saying? I'm only using one clipper, one liner. I kind of like this instrumental right here, so y'all just, you know, pay attention. You know what I mean? Like I said, I just got this one side. I'm doing a lot of detail work, and I'm doing a lot of edge work. I'm cleaning up the face a little bit. Probably got another 6 minutes on this video. So y'all just relax, pay attention, and thanks for subscribing. If you want, like this video, go ahead and comment down below, and I'll hit you with another one sometime soon. Peace.
tagless version today. NewYorkBangers.com.